Describe something about you.
I know what it is.
What?
My name describes a gift from God.
I love it.
My name describes a mission from God.
I love it. And some people, okay, have a name because maybe it was their mom's name or their grandma's name or their dad's name. Love to God. All right. So let me tell you, your name is very special. Are you listening? Your name is very special. Always carry your name with a lot of love. You know? Like when somebody tells you, what's your name? My name is Isaiah. You know, like with pride, with love. Because you are so special. Did you know that, Joey and Sam? That you boys are so special to the Lord? You're very special to the Lord. And your name is special also. Alright? So always carry your name with a lot of love. Alright?
I love my name.
What does your name mean, Amaris?
Okay, well, like my whole name, like Amaris Natasha Victoria, means God has promised a gift of joy. And like I'm always happy, so yeah. That's my story.
And Amaris is my daughter, and when I was having my daughter, okay, it was a very special time in my life, and I needed like a joy. And when Amaris was born, that's why I gave her name, Natasha, because it meant the gift of joy. And Amaris, God promised me a gift of joy. So that's why I gave her name, okay? So you're